This is the candle that never goes out and leaves your home scented for a long time. Learn how to make an infinity candle in today's video. You're going to learn how to make this homemade candle, which, as well as decorating your home, will leave it super fragrant. To make it, you'll need a lemon, cut into slices, not too thin or too thick. You'll also need a glass container. You can use those canning jars. That's what we'll need. Now we're going to use coarse salt, and there's no right amount. You can add about 2 fingers of coarse salt. After adding the salt, we'll place the lemons we've cut, and you can place them like this. We'll position them like this because we need to leave room for the water. And guys, as I said, there's no right amount. It will depend on the size of the jar you're going to make the candle in. But you're going to put the water in, leaving a space of about 2 fingers, because we're also going to add more things. The other ingredient we're going to add is cloves. As well as being very fragrant, cloves also help to scare away insects, especially mosquitoes. If you prefer, you can also add cinnamon, but here I'm using ingredients I already had in my house. Next, I'll add a little eucalyptus essence. It will enhance the citrus scent of our candle, making it smell even better, and you can find this essence in pharmacies or natural products stores. And finally, we'll top up with cooking oil, which will be our fuel. And as the oil doesn't mix with the water, it will stay on top. Just what we need. Once that's done, we'll need these disposable cups. I think everyone probably has some at home, leftovers from birthdays or celebrations, and with a pair of scissors we'll cut out the bottom. Once you've cut out the bottom, just make a hole in the middle, because that's where we're going to put the wick of our candle, which here I'm going to use a string from a traditional candle. You can either melt it down or cut it off. I prefer to cut it off as it's easier to do and takes less work. Now, all you have to do is thread the string through the hole we've made, then place it in our container. And our homemade candle is ready. Just light it and then place it in any room in your house. You can even use it for a special dinner, as it looks very pretty. It will last for hours with a great smell, and whenever you want to use it, just add more oil. You can even use used oil, which also works. So that was our tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hugs and see you in the next video.